super last to cap this.
Okay.
Are you how many years are you in show business?
Like, siguro mga...
Since Upstart Kids?
8?
Oo.
8 siguro.
Di ba madami kang, I'm sure, naririnig ng mga medyo nega, pero madami din naman nagmamahal sa'yo. Have you been contented with the careers, with how your career went, or is going?
I want to say that, I'm happy with my career right now. Kasi, every now and then, mas lalong madami talaga yung mga opportunities. Of course, I have the EP, yung Forever EP. I also have an existing... Yes, I also have an existing album under GMA Records naman yun. Yung second album ko, yung Deeper.
Yes.
I have Day Off.
You have Sunday Pinasaya, you have Buena
Sunday
Familia.
Pinasaya, Buena Familia.
That's a lot, okay.
What else? Ano pa ba? Pepito Manaloto.
Yes.
And then for me, siguro yung mga platforms na yun, doon ko na-apply yung mga gusto kong mangyari din. And yung mga yung mga talents ko, yung mga skills ko. But also, hindi na mawawala sa akin yung parang gusto ko mag-explore, gusto ko mag-innovate. And it takes time naman to learn and the experience everything.
Was there a point na na-bored ka? Because Julie, ang dami talagang nadidinig na this girl is really talented, she deserves more. Mga ganyan. This girl is really talented, what's going on? Bakit di siya? She should be as big as,
Sometimes I just think na minsan na parang, ano ba, kulang pa ba? Kulang pa ba? Siguro nga, I think, there's no one is perfect, and I'm never gonna be good enough for everyone else naman. And I'm not trying to please them kasi syempre may limitations din naman ng mga tao, di ba? And I guess yung yung mga things na narinig ko, I just take it as a challenge na lang to do better. To work really hard siguro, harder. Diba? Tsaka it's a matter of timing talaga eh.
Yes.
Timing talaga. Kasi pag sinabi mong panahon mo, ikaw na yan. And ako naman, I'm not really in a hurry, diba? Just take it slow. Kasi definitely naman kapag ka talaga pinaghihirapan mo, makukuha mo talaga.